Morning to everyone. Welcome to all. Welcome to English online class 12th standard. We already discussed the Castell poem and then prose also. We are waiting for the supplementary. So once again the recall about the poems and prose. Now we need the supplementary class through way of our software. So you understand through slide. So what is the important points? The way of the slide, and when you see the video behind the books, after you read the book, then you understand the whole points. You don't have books, you understand not whole understand. So you prepare well down. So now come to supplementary. The supplementary title, God sees the truth but waits, written by Leo Tolstoy. So Leo Tolstoy, what is the special of Leo Tolstoy? That means what is the real effect? What is the real effect he feel? He feel and he felt. So what is the present time he feel and the past he write the story. So I bless the Lord who gives me counsel in the night. Also my heart instruct me. So Leo Tolstoy, he is the best writer. His birth details 9th September 1828 to 20 November 1910. He is one of the beautiful novelist. His beautiful quotations about love, related life, Leo Tolstoy. The love is life. Everything that I understand. I understand only because I love. Everything exists only because I love. Everything is united by it alone. Love is God, and to die means that a particle of love shall return to the general and external source, and then eternal source. So what is the moral of supplementary? We just have to wait for the right time to realize what God plans for us in the end. So we do anything. So our life, we do anything. We thought we are waiting for the future. We are waiting for our related to the past incidents are about our present life. But the God plans is totally different. So totally make it twist. So everything is waiting for the present situation, but we don't understand our future. So God plans for us in the end. His plan is not to make us hurt, but he wants to teach us about values in life, not being stubborn. So you don't have be anywhere. We should listen what other had. We should listen. We should carefully listen what other had advised us. So you go to advise to others. You think about yourself first, then advise to others. Their advice may become something very crucial. So you easily to advise to others, but the same advice position also become crucial. Say honestly, although it is hard fact. So the details of the characters, Aksenov. So the pronouns of Aksenov, Aksenov. The Aksenov, the young merchant who live in Vladimir. So Vladimir is the place of residence. Aksenov is the young merchant. Vanya, the wife of Aksenov. Makar, the man who caused Aksenov's sufferings. Characters, the dynamic and static dynamic. So how to dynamic position of the characters? Ivan Dmitrik Aksenov. So protagonist. Protagonist means he is the hero of the supplementary. A merchant who was accused of murder and robbery. So protagonist here, he is a hero. So the maker Samuel the antagonist. That means the opposite character. So he feel the guilty at the same time he feel the characters. Then the merchant, the visit the dynamic characters. Introduction of the Axino. Ivan Axino the wanted to a spree, but his wife tried to block his way. Because of her dream, Ivan Axino thought that it's only a dream and decided to go. The rising action. So the protagonist rising action. What is the action of his? He was accused of a merchant murder, then arrested. So what is the plot here? So we understand totally the story, but what is the plot? So before we understand the plot, we easily understand the story. So plot through way of climax. After 26 years, he met Makar. So the real murderer who revealed the truth. So what is the resolution here? The Makar apologized for what he had done. While the order for realize came, Axino was already dead. So what is the theme? So you understand the theme of the supplementary when you go to the decision of the protagonist. So antagonist and protagonist, what is the theme between the supplementary? So God know his plan always best for us, and what we should do is encounter and effort. So encounter and effort is the important word of the theme. So what is the summary about the supplementary? Once there lived a young merchant named Ivan Dmitry Aksionov with his family in the land of Vladimir, who in his young days lived life to the fullest of experiencing all the material things world has to offer until he got married. One summer he planned to go Nizifire. So but his wife warned him that she had a bad dream of her husband. She dreamed about Ivan that he returned from the town with hair to of grey. Ivan laughed off his does not care and went on the fair. So he travelled half way and met a merchant, whom he spent the night drinking tea with and shared on adjoining room in the inn. Since Aksionov is not used of sleeping for long hours, he decided to wake up and continued his journey. So plot the exposition. So what is the exposition of plot? Axino, there was a young merchant who lived in Vladimir. She was a wife named Vanya. He desired to sell their goods to earn money. So during summer he decided to travel. Then rising action. When Axino met a merchant and drank tea together and later went to the same rooms as he desired to check in an inn. So what is the climax of the supplementary? Axino finds out the merchant he met the night before has been found and murdered, and the officials accuse him of killing him since there was a knife with bloodstains on it his bag. Following action. Axino suspect Makar, one of the new prisoner, of killing the merchant. Later, he found out the Makar is planning to break the prison, though he didn't tell the authorities. Resolution. Makar realized his mistake and he confessed of killing the merchant and putting the knife inside Axino's bag, and he asked him for forgiveness. Axino was ordered to go back home, but he was already dead. So God sees the truth. So you feel you do something wrong, you think about that time only God. So you have to be think about happy that time you don't think about God. So this is the faith of the God sees the truth but wait. The climax. What is the turning point of climax? Ivan was really shocked and could not utter even single word. The police officer ordered the soldiers to blind Ivan and to put him in the cart. As they tied his feet together and flung him into the cart, He crossed himself and wept. His money and goods were taken and was taken to nearest town and imprisoned him. He was also put in the trial charged murdering a merchant and robbing him of 20,000 rebels. So this is the story of supplementary. I think hope you understand. You have any doubts, come to the doubt session. So thanks to all.